done a lucky bag for a few years, and every year I've missed out. This year I decided I wasn't going to, and I got one. I chose bag number 1. Now I want to see what's in it because I want to see if I actually like what came, because I didn't get to choose it, which is the fun, but also sort of isn't. But let's see. Ooh, we've got lots of bubbles, which they're always annoying to get rid of, but you know, that's okay. They're literally going everywhere. Ooh. Okay, that is one massive drink bottle, which I might use. That's more the size that I would use. Another lid. Oops. Baby version of a cup I already have, but very nice colour. I would have chosen that. And that is it. Not bad. Maybe I need to start hydrating more if I've got a huge drink bottle like that now though. Good variety of colours, I don't mind. Now also, as a side note to the Frank Green Lucky Bag, I ordered mine on Tuesday morning and it is now Thursday afternoon. So 2 days shipping, amazing. I paid $120 for Lucky Bag 1, but I looked up on the website. If I brought all of those items individually, it would have cost just under $200. So pretty good value, not bad.